Be 321 in Kerr Station, unlicensed sport bike.
Yeah, we have the color.
Black and color. Freaking idiot, man. I was about to say, don't you do it, bro. Little Rock. Northbound through campground. It's a white male, black t-shirt, black shorts. If you would notify Cabot, see if they've got any units that can assist. Still northbound, 55 past Liberty.
Northbound past Liberty, 55.
There was a white male jumped off around. Wrecked out. Roll over. Roll over on your fucking face.
No, I don't want to.
Well, you just made it a lot worse for yourself.
I don't know what to do. Please.
Little Rock, I'm 1015 Kerr Station and Adams. You can clear the net. Shut up. What was that about, man?
Because I got a dope pipe in my fucking thing, man.
Where's your buddy? Stupid.
I know, bro.
You're stupid, man.
I am, bro.
Come on, dude.
Dude, I know.
That was so stupid.
I'm gonna give you a lot.
You are. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Stop.
No, I'm hurt.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm trying.
I'm about to get you in there. I'm getting an ambulance on the way. Scoot all the way across. Kerr Station and Earnhardt Circle. It's going to be close to Shaded Oaks.
I'm Michael Zuber, I'm sorry.
Hang on, dude. There's a white male, kind of scruffy hair on top, black clothing. He had a brown backpack.
4 and 4. That was my uncle. He didn't want to be part of this.